Starting your day with the right exercise routine can transform your energy levels, focus, and overall health. But many men struggle to find time for morning workouts that actually deliver results without requiring a full gym setup. Today, we are breaking down the perfect morning exercise routine for men to do at home, specifically designed to boost testosterone, increase metabolism, and set you up for peak performance throughout your day. The foundation principles. This morning routine follows 3 core principles that make it especially effective for men over 40. First, it prioritizes compound movements that activate multiple muscle groups, maximizing testosterone response with minimal time investment. Second, it follows a strategic intensity pattern that wakes up your nervous system without exhausting you for the day ahead. Third, it requires zero equipment, but delivers professional-grade results when done consistently. The entire routine takes just 12 to 15 minutes, making it practical for even the busiest mornings. Let's break down each exercise. Exercise. Number 1. Dynamic stretching sequence. Begin with 2 minutes of dynamic stretching to activate your nervous system and prepare your joints. This isn't static stretching, it's controlled movement that increases blood flow and range of motion. Perform 10 arm circles forward and backward, 10 torso rotations to each side, 10 hip openers, and 10 ankle rotations. This sequence prevents injury and enhances performance in the following exercises. The key is smooth, controlled movements rather than jerky motions. Exercise. Number 2. Prisoner squats. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, hands behind your head and elbows back. This hand position forces proper posture throughout the movement. Lower into a squat position, keeping your chest up and your weight in your heels. Return to standing by driving through your heels. Perform 15 to 20 repetitions at a controlled pace. This activates your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, the largest muscle groups in your body, triggering a significant hormonal response that elevates metabolism. The prisoner hand position is crucial as it prevents the common mistake of leaning forward, which reduces effectiveness and increases strain on the lower back. Exercise. Number 3. Push-up variations. For maximum upper body activation, perform 3 sets of push-ups with brief 15-second rests between sets. The key is using different hand positions for each set to target different muscle fibers. Set 1. Standard push-ups with hands shoulder width apart, 10 to 12 reps. Set 2. Wide push-ups with hands wider than shoulders, 8 to 10 reps. Set 3. Diamond push-ups with hands close together forming a diamond shape, 6 to 8 reps. If standard push-ups are too challenging, perform them from your knees or against a wall or counter, maintaining proper form. The progressive difficulty across sets creates a pump effect that increases blood flow to your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Exercise. Number 4. Plank rotation sequence. Begin in a forearm plank position with elbows under shoulders and body forming a straight line from head to heels. Hold for 20 seconds, then rotate to a side plank on your right side for 15 seconds. Return to center for 10 seconds, then rotate to your left side for 15 seconds. Repeat this sequence twice without resting. This exercise activates your core from multiple angles while also engaging your shoulders and back. The rotational component adds an anti-rotational challenge that strengthens your obliques and improves spinal stability. Exercise number 5. Body weight rows. Find a sturdy table, desk, or counter. Position yourself underneath at an angle, gripping the edge with hands shoulder width apart. Keep your body straight and pull your chest toward the edge by bending your elbows. Lower back down with control. Perform 12 to 15 repetitions. This exercise counterbalances the push-ups by working your back muscles, improving posture, and preventing the hunched position that comes from long hours at a desk. The more horizontal your body, the more challenging the exercise becomes. Exercise number 6. Split jump. Sequence from a standing position. Step forward into a lunge with your right foot. Lower until both knees form 90-degree angles. Explosively jump up and switch legs in mid-air, landing with your left foot forward. Continue alternating for 20 total repetitions, 10 per side. This exercise introduces a cardiovascular element while also building lower body power. The explosive component stimulates fast-twitch muscle fibers that are often neglected in typical workouts, but are crucial for maintaining athletic capacity as you age. Exercise. Number 7. Controlled cool down. Finish with 60 seconds of deep breathing in a relaxed standing position. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 2 seconds, and exhale for 6 seconds. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, balancing the sympathetic response from the workout and preparing you for focused productivity. For optimal results, perform this routine 3 to 5 mornings per week. On alternate days, you can substitute with a 10-minute brisk walk outside to get natural light exposure, which regulates your circadian rhythm and testosterone production. Progress by adding repetitions rather than resistance. Aim to complete the routine more efficiently as your fitness improves. When the exercises become too easy, increase time under tension by slowing down each repetition rather than adding weight. The most effective approach is to complete this routine before your first meal of the day. This maximizes fat burning while preserving muscle tissue, creating an optimal hormonal environment. Men who implement this routine consistently report 3 primary benefits. First, increased energy throughout the day without the mid-afternoon crash. The strategic intensity level wakes up your system without depleting recovery resources. Second, improved body composition, particularly reduction of stubborn midsection fat, which is hormonally driven and responds well to morning exercise. Third, enhanced mental performance. The combination of increased blood flow to the brain and the hormonal cascade from the compound movements creates ideal conditions for focus and cognitive function. In the comments below, share which exercise you found most challenging after trying this routine. Your feedback helps other men identify which movements might need additional attention. Subscribe now because next week's video will reveal the perfect nutritional follow-up to maximize the benefits of this morning routine. Remember, consistent, strategic morning movement is one of the most powerful tools available for reclaiming your natural energy, strength, and focus, regardless of your current fitness level.